Here's a closer look at this twin bed that was sent for my feedback, and right away I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to assemble. No special tools needed because everything came included in the box and the instructions were very straightforward. We were able to get it put together without the usual frustration that sometimes comes with furniture assembly. The underbed space is a huge plus. There's plenty of clearance underneath for storage bins or luggage, extra blankets. I also like that the open design makes it easy to vacuum or let a robot vacuum clean underneath. The frame itself feels very sturdy once assembled. It has a heavy-duty steel structure with metal slats, and the mattress stays securely in place without sliding around. And no box spring is needed, which keeps the setup simple and just gives it a cleaner look overall. One of the features I really like is the storage headboard. It has 2 shelves that are actually useful for everyday items. And built right into the headboard is a charging station with 2 regular outlets, a USB port, and a Type-C port. So you can charge multiple devices overnight without needing extra extension cords. Style-wise, I think this bed works really well with a lot of different spaces. So it has this rustic brown wood accents mixed with the black metal frame. And I think it gives this modern industrial look, but at the same time, it doesn't feel too bulky. It could easily fit into a modern farmhouse, a rustic, or minimalist bedroom setup. Overall, this is a great piece of furniture. It looks nice, it feels solid, and it adds extra function. Definitely check it out.